Guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about a brand new Samsung Galaxy M31s, and this mobile is an updated version of a Samsung Galaxy M30s. So let's get started. And first comes display. Samsung Galaxy M31s has 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with resolution of 1080x2400, and the body of this mobile is made up with polycarbonate, and it has 91% of screen to body ratio, and also it has 405 pixel density. And next comes the chipset of this mobile. This mobile has Exynos 9611 octa-core processor with 2.3 GHz clock speed, and it has an Mali 672 GPU graphics. And the third main thing in the mobile is rear camera. It has quad camera setup with primary camera of 64 megapixels and ultra wide camera with 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth sensor and 5 megapixel macro camera. We can take 4K and 2K videos in this mobile. The front camera of this mobile comes with 32 megapixels with f2.2 aperture. It can be record 2K videos easily. Next comes the connectivity of this mobile. It has dual SIM connectivity with 4G support for both slots, and it has in Bluetooth 5.0 version update, and it has a USB Type-C port with 3.5mm audio jack. And next comes the sensors of this mobile. This mobile has in-display fingerprint sensor and a compass and a proximity sensor and a gyro sensor and a single mounted fingerprint radar. And next comes the main highlight of this mobile, that is battery. It has 6000 mAh monster battery with 25 watts fast charging, and this mobile runs with Android 10 OS with Samsung One UI 2.1 version. And next comes the storage of this mobile. This mobile comes with 8GB or 6GB RAM, and it has 128GB ROM, and there is an external SIM slot provided. And this mobile comes with two color variants, that is Mirage Black and Mirage Blue. And the price of this mobile is 21,499 rupees. So these are all the complete features of this mobile. Hope you guys all like this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.